All right, everybody. I hope we are live now, right now. Let's see. Yes, let's see if we are live. Yes, we are streaming right now. So, yep, we are back. So let me know if you're back in the chat as well. So if you're back in the live as well, in live stream. So let me know by saying hi. We are back. So let me know if you're back in the chat as well, or if you're back in the live as well, in live stream. So let by saying hi. We're back. So let me know if you're back in the chat as well. So guys, how are you doing? So at the moment, the market looks like we are slowly getting back on the track. Look at overall market, you can see most of the cryptos are looking good. At the moment, some of them are 4 to 5% up. If you look at Litecoin, or let's in general, if you look at Near Protocol, it's like 17% up. And if you look at even Cosmos, it's like almost 10%. GALA is almost 18% up. So everything, most of the cryptos are getting sideways from BTC. We have few in the market from BTC, but look at this. Near Protocol is 20% almost up, is up, and also Quant. Yeah, Quant is up. So it seems like altcoins are trying to get out of the BTC influence. So let's see what's happening to the market. The market cap is totally going nuts today. So after falling below 2.2 trillion, you can see we fall down below. We fell short of 2.2 trillion and slowly bouncing back. So if you have any questions, guys, let me know in the comment section. And do you think we will have another dip? 1% said yes and 1% said no. There has been 2 votes so far. So yep, 50. It's already 50-50. Let's see how the market goes. So yep, I'm still waiting for you guys to join. And I have very few guys over here like voted. Only 2% has voted. So let's look at the graph. If you have any cryptos in your mind, feel free to let me know. I will be very happy to analyze it. And if you look at market cap of Bitcoin, the market cap is going down. So the market cap is less than a trillion. It was 1. That means $300 billion of market cap was taken away from Bitcoin. So yeah, it's a lot of money, almost 380 billion. So yeah, let's see how much we can inject right now inside the BTC. And Mr. Stranger, what do you think? What do you think, Mr. Stranger? About what? So what I think about which thing, Mr. Stranger? Welcome to the live stream. Let me know what I think about which concept or which particular thing. This can be, if you talk about Bitcoin, then I think like it might be a bear trap. If we can like move towards, maybe if we can move towards 52, that will be awesome. But if you look at here, we kind of went up towards almost 52,000, not 52 but 51,900. We got rejected on it, and then we fell down and we bounced back from 200 days DMA. So at the moment we're finding some kind of resistance in 236 position. If we can break it down, then of course this will, but right now I see like there are high chances that we might see another dip. So that's my thought. But in general, if I will be the happiest guy in the world. So if BTC bounces back from here, I don't think about anyone else, but personally I will be the happiest kid in the planet. So over here, if you look at one important thing, if this green wick can be bigger than this one, If you see like this green wick over here, the green candle becomes more bigger than this red one, and we have one more green wick, then I'm pretty sure that we are bouncing back. I think we might see one more dip around 40k. So around 40-41 would be a huge room for BTC, because remember when we were trying 56,000, we are trying to catch 60,000, we fell short because we didn't had that much of buying power. But right now we fell down around 48,000. If we go down towards 40,000, we will have actually more room to actually push BTC towards. So yep, thing going. Yep. First of all, bad connection. I can see that the connection is bad at the moment because of so many things. But overall, if you have any kind of cryptos in your wallet, and if you want me to chart it, then you can let me know on the comment section, or even like live chat section. I will try to do my best for you. So having said that, let's get back to the market cap thing. So the market cap last one day is going up, and if you look at overall 1 month's market cap, we are down a little bit because there has been some kind of money taken out from the market last 1 month. So it was a huge dip for us. But let's see if we can load 1 month's graph over here, then it will answer more. So you can see over here, it was expected, this kind of moves was expected. If we fell down below 2 trillion, that would be unexpected for me, because I don't expect that. And if you move forward to total cryptocurrency market capitalization excluding Bitcoin, you can see that into the action. That means we are trying to pump our altcoins as well. So if you look at the market dominance, you'll be more happy to see that we are comparing BTC with it, and you can see that Ethereum market dominance is slowly rising up, because last time when I saw the market dominance from Bitcoin was around 60% or so, or even like today I saw it like 42%, and Ethereum was around 20%. But right now BTC dominance is 40% and Ethereum dominance is 21%. So that's kind of a good sign. Well, Mr. Stranger, I think my internet is buffering at the moment, because I have no idea why it's happening over here. So it's kind of weird, for it's annoying. It's very annoying. I haven't seen this before. So yeah, let me know if this stream is clear to you, or is it like still buffering. Do you think the stream is still buffering, or you can hear me well? Yeah, I think it's a bad day to be, live streaming. So I will be talking about Ethereum at first. So let's see how Ether is doing. Sorry, excuse me everyone. So over here you can see Ethereum, we have very interesting position. We have tested this support level on 3900, I guess. Yeah, 3900 was 3900 twice, 3900 third time, and here fourth time. So if you test one support line for so many times, you can easily expect like it will break down. So here what happened, so second support line is on 3800. So I think like from here, if we can bounce towards our resistance level, you can see the major resistance level over here at this location, local resistance level. Let's talk about local resistance level at the beginning. So you can see we did not cross this position of 4000, almost 4450. I'm finding like Ethereum is finding resistance on 4400. So if we can break this resistance level, or even 4538, if we can go towards 4600, or yeah, 4600, then that will be one kind of confirmation then that Ethereum is up for next parabolic move. So I really think that upcoming year 2022 will be for Ethereum, that I think it will minimum catch towards 5800. I will not be surprised if I see Ethereum crossing 6000, because that's pretty much expected. Even though if it crosses like 8000, I will not be surprised, because I see the dominance of Ethereum is going up, and BTC. And let's go to BTC chart. And before we do charting over here, I would like to read the comments. So, yep, I see here Mr. Stranger. Yeah, it was my internet problem, I think. Okay, you're listening, and sometimes, yeah, it's really bad. It sucks to see, internet connection. Sometimes it's a bad connection, so you cannot do anything about it. Yep, so BTC, we see a small here that we got rejected on this point of, how to say it, 51,995. We were trying to go towards almost 52,000, but we got rejected. Right now we are trying to bounce back. If this can be another, bear trap for the people. Sorry, this can be another bear trap, and then eventually we might have another, pullback towards 41,000. You never know. So if you look at weekly chart, weekly is pretty interesting, because I made a video today on weekly chart, so that was showing some interesting moves. So if you look at 4 hours graph, I have here charted it very well, I think, because if you look at this position, 52,000 was our resistance point, and look at here, this was one interesting point that wanted to cross 49,487. We got rejected. We tried to break this down several times, but finally we did break it up. We found our next resistance level on 51,000, and then we tried our support over here, but support also broke down. So over here this support is really weak, so I think like that is why we had this strong pullback. Not strong, but small pullback, I would say, for BTC. Right now we are finding difficult as well to break down above 49,385. So these are the points where we should like be concerned about, and if we can break above this one, then that will be an indication that second time we might cross 51,893. So for Bitcoin, it's a little bit challenging at the moment. So I don't know, but what I see in general is we might see another 41,000. So everyone is thinking the same. I see all over the internet, all the news I read is like everyone is saying we might have another pullback towards 41,000. Wow. Yeah, oh gods. Okay, so Mr. Obed has just wrote that God's pumped crazy. I bought 85 vote, took to profit as well. Let's see what happened to Gods. Yeah, last time I was talking about Gods in the video, one of my video, which was saying that, wow. Let me see how far it went. $8. Okay. So when did you invest in Gods? It went towards, yep, it held this pullback around $6 and then a small push. It's finding also, resistance over this position. Let's see. So if Gods doesn't break above $8.05, I'd say like it's the best time to get out of Gods. So you might have to look at this position, $8. If it doesn't break, then yeah, of course. So yep. So guys, let me know in the comment section or live chat section if you want me to chart any kind of cryptos you want. So I will do that for you, any tokens or any coins. So we have a new guy over here, follow the white rabbit. Hey man, welcome to our live stream. And alts are going nowhere until BTC is bullish. Yep, that's true. If BTC doesn't pump from here, alts are going nowhere. If BTC goes to 41k, I think a lot of people will get scared and they will get out of cryptocurrency market, and that's the end for a lot of retail investors. Okay. Yeah, I will do that, but in stock market, I see like a lot of people talking about Tesla right now. So STNE, I haven't heard of that one because these days I'm following only Tesla and Palantir and other ones. But yeah, I have Palantir for long term. So what you guys have in the stock market? Are you the long term investor in stock market? Are you investing in Apple or what? What kind of investments are you guys doing? So guys, I see a lot of people join the live stream. You can let me know about anything, about your thoughts or whatever you have in your mind about any tokens or any coins or anything. I will chart that for you. So Harry, okay, what about VVS? Okay. VVS, I have talked about it, Harry. I'm not big fan of VVS, but I will chart it today. I'll have a talk with you about VVS. Okay, follow the white rabbit swing trading. Okay, you do swing trading. That's good. And Mona, it's here. I hear it's a good gaming project. So let's see what is Mona, and then we will move towards maybe VVS Finance. Yeah, let's move towards Mona and then VVS Finance. So you were talking about Mona coin. Wow, it has really low market cap, really low. Yep, $96 million is really low. It's so volatile. Of course, if it's gaming based NFTs, then of course open source. Oh, I think this is not the coin you're talking about. This is like a payment network, right? Yeah, this is not the one, I guess. So let's see about VVS. Well, guys, one thing I tell all of you, that if you're investing now, this time, this is the golden opportunity where we accumulate everything. I'll show you from chart that why we have this kind of opportunities over here. So if you look at this graph, this is weekly range. You can see after we had a huge impulsive move over here, we had this kind of distribution period, and now we have like accumulation period. So this accumulation period, you have to accumulate whatever you can. Yes, there are risks of cryptos. A lot of people were thinking it will go towards 15,000 last time, and then we had like a huge gigantic move towards higher highs. And yeah, nobody thought about this one, right? So also a lot of people have made a lot of money who have like brought BTC from this direction. They maybe sold it over here or here, but eventually they have made a lot, right? So you have to be careful. You have to invest in something which has many use cases. I have seen a lot of cryptocurrencies coming into the market fading away, but if you invest, end of the day, if you invest in the project which has a lot of use cases, I think that's gonna be your turning point. If you invest in some kind of coins like VVS. I will show you why I don't like VVS. You can see it over here. Look at the market cap, $94 million. Last time, I remember last Saturday, I was in live stream and one guy was asking about VVS. At that moment, I saw it had like $109 million of market cap, right? So right now you can see BTC is also going up, but this thing is going down. Last 7 days, you can see it's going down slowly. So I have never been a fan of BVS. I have said from the beginning that VVS is not my game. So if you look at the max supply is 100 trillion, this is actually a joke, guys. 100 trillion is just a joke. Yeah, I have read the white paper as well. So I see a lot of hate comments from the VVS holders. They were saying that, yeah, you know nothing about VVS, it will gonna moon and stuff like that. But even though if it moons, I will never be a fan of VVS, because if you look at the market cap, if you look at the circular supply, if you look at the max supply, then you will see something is wrong over here. And if you look at the volume last 24 hours, it will shock you. So I would say invest in something good. What do you think over here? Like if you look at the chart, like all the cryptocurrencies, you will have so many good cryptos that has so many use cases. For example, Polkadot, maybe Avalanche is one of the top. So you can invest, or like one of my favorite, so it's on the first list of my wallet. So you can invest in this kind of cryptos, so that will lead you to somewhere in the sky or even more, that can give you like more than 2x profit. In VVS, I'm sure that developers or the big fish, they will take away all your money, so you will be left with nothing. And let's see, we have 23 votes at the moment, and 61% of people thinks that we will have another dip, and 39% thinks we won't have another dip. So that's interesting. So yeah, AMC, GME, NEO to the moon. Yeah, what do you think about then the Palantir? Do you invest in Palantir, Obed? That's all I have. Okay, that's good. Crow. Okay, I will go to Crow variety content and Obed UFO. Okay, so I will go to Crow first and then I will go to UFO. So I think this is clear for you guys, right? VVS and this kind of things, you should get out of it, because these are not actually profitable cryptos or tokens, whatever you want to say. So yeah, it's made with Crypto.com chain. If Crypto.com, there are more projects coming to Crypto.com, they will be really happy and they will welcome with open heart, right? So nobody cares about how you're doing, they care about your project. So project wise, VVS is not that good, in my opinion. So what time frame I'm looking into, like weekly here and over here weekly as well, but I was doing it hourly, 4 hours range. Actually I look at both, like for also weekly. So I look at everything, every possible scenario I can look, So this one I'm seeing is 4 hours. So let's look towards Crowcoin. Yeah, my internet sucks over here and I'm stuck again. I know it's a very bad time to be streaming, but I don't know why I have this kind of connections. I will try to speak to my providers about it, because I am not enjoying it at all. So for 1 hours range, and I will try to analyze this one. So I'm going with Coinbase, but I will change it right now because I don't like that they don't have enough wicks. So because it just came out yesterday for them. So I'll try to fix the DMS as well. So DMS, let's look at last 20, okay, 44 days DMA. And also, yeah, BTC is going up. That is the reason I see that Crowcoin is slowly moving up. But if you look at this Fibonacci, I think like very soon we can expect around 65 cents for average. If BTC doesn't drop, you will see 65 to 71 cents Crowcoin. It's the average. It will rally around this position, and I know that there are events coming up for Crowcoin, and I'm looking into those because that can drag even further. And also Crypto.com coin, if you look at the app, you can trade any asset. Like, I'm not saying all the assets, but you can trade certain cryptos, right? But what about the waste? What if the junk you leave for the for example, if you buy Bitcoin, there will be some kind of smaller chunks, right? You can convert those into Crypto.com coins. So that's really awesome, yeah, mind blowing. So yep. So let's talk about the live chat over here. Terry Ball, I really heavily liked with Crypto.com coin. They are legit. Yeah, Crypto.com, of course they're legit. Yeah. I had so many coins before when I was like buying everything. So right now when I see into my look into my wallet history, I feel like I should have brought it much earlier, or like staked it much earlier. Next year will be 50 trillion. What will be 50 trillion? So I did not get it about it. Terry Ball, you mentioned next year it will be 50 trillion. What will be 50 trillion? Yeah, the follow the white rabbit 200 EMA. Yeah, 200 EMA is great. Right now I cannot press 1, 2 and 0 in my computer because I have some of the stream keys set with that. I will fix it very soon, and then I will try to do it because I was lazy. I was doing it so in a quick time, so I cannot press 0, 1, 2 and that will trigger something else in my computer. So yeah, that will pause the live stream. So that is why I cannot use EMS and DMS for 20, even 200 days. So overall I will try to explain from Fibonacci entracement. And are you using a beer? Can you Okay, are you using a beer? Can you as your Athena? Yep, I am. But but guys, I see like the stream is buffering. Do you think that it's buffering? Or wow. Can you hear me clearly, or it's like buffering or making some kind of background noise or something? Okay, so I see no responses. All right, so let's go back into Crowcoin charting. So here, let's analyze let's go to daily range, and daily range looks good. And if BTC bounces back from here, I think like BTC is going minimum towards 40. I think in my opinion 43k we will visit that position once again. So I don't know, it's just inside feeling that we should visit 44, 43k once more, and then we should bounce back. So if that happens, I think Crowcoin will go towards maybe around 40, 48 or 49, and then we bounce back. If BTC goes to 41k, then you can see Crypto.com coin goes to around like 44 cents or even 40 cents. I don't care, because next month from January I'm really hopeful we will start to see some green days from January. So overall for me, I'm really optimistic about we are getting out of this bear market. Okay, right now I'm having some comments, so it's not clear, dude. Okay, yeah, I understand the connection seems little bit shitty. So yeah, I have nothing to do with it. It sucks. Who bought? Oh, this guy over here. What's his name? Let's see. I lost it because maybe he bought it high. So who was it? Okay, variety content. This guy brought it high and kind of nervous. William says it's kind of clear. Images is very blurry. Okay, I see. If it's blurry, that's actually I think the internet problem. Bad connection. So, White Rabbit 30k. I think we will hit 30k if we lose 43. I don't think we will hit around 30k because I don't know. I don't think we are hitting 30k. We will hit maximum. I think we will go towards 38, and then we will bounce back. Yeah, we should bounce back from 38 and 30k is bad, very bad. You will see a lot of people moving away from crypto market and they will never come back. So actually, it's very bad for us. 30k will create so much room that it might even end the bull run. So just not extended scenario, but of course it will be very bad. I don't think it's going that far. Okay, Michael, I have made an absolute killing on gods since your video yesterday. Super volatile LRC update, please. It isn't bouncing. LRC, of course, I'll look at LRC, but thank you. And anything 50 or less, I'm in. 50 or less, yeah, it's a very good position. If you're getting on average, I would say like on average 48 to 50 is like a very good position for to get into crypto.com coin. So fuck, I'm into other ones. So crypto.com, I think like, yeah, 48 to 50 would be a very very nice position to get onto it. So yeah, that's good. Let's look at LRC. So LRC right now, I'm still in a daily range, so let's see how far LRC goes. Actually, we broke out of it, but we are creating lower lows. So if BTC doesn't move higher, LRC will be stuck between, $2.91. It might, if BTC falls down, it might go towards 166. But if I can get 166 LRC, I will definitely load up my, bag with full of LRC, Mana, and other cryptos. But having said that, if it goes up from here, if BTC goes up, it will go up automatically. So don't worry about LRC. So Obed, you good on my side? Sometime it's buffering. Where are you living in the mountains of China? Only place I think of the internet bring crap. I don't know, man. It's like snowing this part of the world. It's like near the Baltic Sea I live in, so the internet is like I'm using wireless one, so it kind of sucks. I will try to get the wired one, broadband wired connection, so that might help because whenever it snows, it's kind of gets very messy. I barely get any connection that time, so yeah. But even though I like snow, at least something to see at this part of the world. Everything is white. You barely see any colors. So no less than 42. We good. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, below 42 will definitely hurt me because as far as we go back, I will be really happy because right now, this rally, this crabby over here, you can see this doing this over here. If we rally over here, that means like we might have another dip. So it's risky. It's very risky. I don't want it to rally that much over here. Dude, I meant snow. It's like full of snow. I'm not being racist, dude. Dog. Yeah, I'm not being racist. It means like it's full of snows. Whenever you wake up in the morning, you see like almost 4 to 5 meter snows. You look at the mountains, you look at the trees, everything is snowy. So it's kind of beautiful, but I didn't mean that anything else. Yeah, I know. I'm not being racist, man. It's like snow. Yeah, I got you. So yeah, let's move forward. Why are people still buying ADA? Well, if you ask me, I personally believe that ADA is a great project, wonderful project, because if it dips, at least I will buy more ADA. Like if it falls below $1, I'll be the first guy in the planet to buy ADA, because I kind of believe in this project. If you believe in this some kind of project, you should go into it. I believed in XRP, but it was a crap sometimes. But I believe in ADA, man. I think one day it will bounce back. It was just, bad news. Bad news around the world goes even faster. Negative things runs faster than positive things. So I think that's the thing. After eToro, delisted it and it went down because of that. It was trying to bounce back. You can see over here, perfect pullback, 50% correction, 40 to 50% correction. It was trying to pull back. All of a sudden, eToro slapped it and it went down. So it's temporary. This kind of things happens for good. I believe that ADA will bounce back. Of course. What do you think about ADA, guys? Do you think ADA still sucks, or it's going to even below $1? Do you think so? Okay. Okay, BTC looks like Head and Shoulder. Yeah, I was thinking the same. Obed, why is your favorite color? Yeah, of course. He only likes white people, no colored people. No, man. I am actually myself a colored one, so why would I, I don't justify, or I don't judge anyone. So I am myself just thinking about cryptos. That's all. I don't think about anyone else. So I think we are good over here. I think if Cardano falls down, we will be bouncing back still from $1.07. So I think if we fall down below $1.07, then I think it's done. Cardano is done with it. So $1.07, if we can bounce back from here, then it's a very beautiful position to get on board into ADA. So after that, we might see another high toward $3-4. So of course, it's a great project. Obed, ADA is a gem going to 10. Yeah, of course, ADA I think is a gem, a big gem. So yeah, smart contracts, cheaper fees, Africa is using it. Yeah, at least I am using ADA for myself. Like if I want to transfer from one exchange to another, I transfer from ADA. I always convert to ADA and then I transfer, because I know how safe, how fast it is. So you can actually, yeah, there will be time when people will be using ADA for sure. And that's really good to know that in Africa they are using ADA. So Da is going, okay, see you, man. I think Solana, Ethereum 2.0 has okay, yeah, torpedoed.ada. Yeah, William, I think so. Yep, of course. But that's not the case. That's maybe percentage of a small percentage of chance that might happen. But also, this bad news moves faster, and a lot of things, security issues. There has been a small security issue with Cardano. So including everything, you can see the market cap was going down last time. If you see today, the market cap is going up, but overall you can see after having almost 94 billion, look at this, we are going down towards 40. It's less than half. So guys, one more thing, I think I will come back to this live stream maybe after 1 or 2 hours, when, because I believe that it's a lot of snows out there, that is why I have like this kind of bad connection. So once it's done, I will come back to live, and I hope to see you guys then. And thank you very much for being in this live stream, and I will be back after 2 hours or so. Thank you very much for being in this live chat, and I hope